English long-form video script. Title: The Gift of Loneliness. Introduction. Visuals: a soft, close-up shot of a steaming mug of tea on a wooden table. A window in the background shows a quiet, foggy morning. The text fades in beautifully. The gift of loneliness. Voiceover: calm, slow, and soothing tone. Welcome back to our quiet space. In a world that is always loud, being alone can sometimes feel scary. We often confuse being alone with being lonely. Today, let's take a deep breath, slow down, and discover the hidden beauty of spending time with yourself through the story of a young man named Leo. Listen to the words, read along, and let your mind rest. Story: Leo's quiet room. Visuals: a young man sitting on a comfortable rug, surrounded by plants and books. He is holding a fountain pen, slowly writing down his thoughts in a notebook. Voiceover: Leo used to hate being alone. Whenever his house became quiet, he would immediately turn on the television, play loud music, or scroll endlessly through his phone. He was running away from the silence because it made him feel anxious. But one rainy afternoon, the electricity went out. All his screens went black. The house became completely still. With nothing to do, Leo sat by the window and just listened. He listened to the steady sound of the rain. He listened to his own breathing. For the first time in years, he wasn't looking at what other people were doing. He was just fully present with himself. In that quiet room, Leo realized a beautiful truth: silence isn't empty. It is full of answers. Lesson: how Leo learned to love his own company. Visuals: a cinematic shot of Leo walking slowly along a peaceful path in a forest, looking up at the sunlight filtering through the trees with a peaceful smile. Voiceover: after that day, Leo began to look at solitude differently. He realized that being alone is an art, and a gift he had never given to himself before. He used to live his life based on other people's energy, thoughts, and expectations. But as Leo spent more quiet afternoons walking in nature or writing in his journal, he finally got to meet who he really was. He learned what made his heart truly happy without any outside noise. He learned to heal his own worries. Leo discovered that you cannot truly connect with others until you learn to love your own company. For Leo, and for all of us, solitude is not a punishment. It is a beautiful space where the soul grows. Vocabulary spotlight. Visuals: the screen transitions to a clean, minimalist pastel background with elegant text displaying the words and definitions. Voiceover: before we finish today's video, let's look at 3 beautiful words from Leo's journey to build your vocabulary. Solitude. Noun: the state of being alone, especially when this is peaceful and pleasant. Example: Leo enjoyed the solitude of his quiet room. Anxious: adjective: feeling worried, nervous, or afraid about something. Example: he used to feel anxious when it was too quiet. Company noun: the fact of being with someone, or the person you spend time with. Example: Leo truly learned to enjoy his own company. Outro. Visuals: the candle on the table is gently blown out, leaving a warm twilight glow in the room. Social media handles and the subscribe button fade in softly. Voiceover: thank you for sharing this peaceful moment with Leo and me today. Never be afraid of the quiet times. If this video brought comfort to your heart, please give it a like and subscribe for more relaxing English stories. Until next time, be gentle with yourself and keep learning.